Through the partnership, we aim to provide farmers with the advanced crop nutrition solutions that improve nutrient use efficiency, strengthen climate resilience, and contribute to Pakistan's long-term food security.
We look into our portfolio, complementary products that will bring more nutrients, that will bring different methods of application, and will bring also biostimulants, which is definitely needed in this climate condition.
Development and innovation in agriculture has been in the foundations of FFC since its inception, and FFC has been bringing out always new innovative products which lead towards the agriculture development and progress.
Our mission has always been to empower farmers through knowledge, technical support, access to high-quality agricultural inputs by bringing the global agronomic expertise along with the enhanced training and field demonstrations and expertise of the continuous farmer engagement.
We have a strong technical team and in the manufacturing of fertilizers and specialty products.
I share the passion and the knowledge from our own company to what I see in FFC. I think without the passion and really the knowledge for our farmers, for food security, that's basically the sole purpose and the reason for our success.
Through FFC Yara partnership, we are bringing advanced knowledge-based crop nutrition tailored as per crop needs, backed by global agronomic expertise to boost Pakistan's agriculture.
Opening up of a new chapter in the industrial innovation and the agricultural innovation of Pakistan.